Proxima was also discovered by humans. It is the most mysterious and amazing exoplanet found so far. Discovered years ago, this planet is in the star system nearest our sun. Like Mars and Earth, this is also a rocky planet. That means it has a solid rocky surface, unlike other exoplanets, which are nothing but gases like Jupiter. Proxima is also present in a ternary star system. It has lived through most of its lifespan, which is why the fuel inside it has been exhausted. After hydrogen runs out in any star, the speed of the fusion reaction there slows down and it gradually starts to cool down. As a result, the range of heat and light emitted from it becomes much smaller. And because of this special condition, Proxima can give birth to life within itself even while being so close to its sun. Or you could say that it has already given birth, it's just that we humans haven't seen it yet. Well, in today's documentary, where will we take you? To the planet Proxima b, landing on its surface. You will be able to experience what it's like there. You'll witness the mornings, evenings, days, and nights, and you'll be able to understand the emerging system of life there. So, are you ready to be a part of this amazing journey? If yes, then make sure to fasten your seatbelts because our journey will pass through many dangers and troubles. Well, right now we are at our home, that is on Earth. From here, first we have to set out to outer space, which is 100 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. This boundary is known as the Kármán line. This is the region where the Earth's atmosphere ends, and after this, the harsh and tough weather of space begins. It took us just 3.5 minutes to reach here from Earth, and after this, we move forward towards our next destination, which is called the International Space Station. It is about 400 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It usually takes us 2 days to reach here, but with our supersonic rocket, we reached here in just 29 hours. Our spacecraft is equipped with all kinds of thermal protection, so neither the sun's radiation nor the extreme cold of outer space will affect us much. Wow, I didn't even realize how these 2.5 days just flew by. Now we will leave Earth's orbit and do a flyby near the moon. So get ready for a magnificent view. Did you enjoy it anyway? The journey ahead will be extremely comfortable and peaceful for you, because now we will only open our eyes again when we pass close to Mars. That means a wait of 8 whole months. By the way, that's even longer than a bear's hibernation. By the way, this is an imaginary situation where all the planets and the solar system have come into a straight line alignment. Because of this, we are moving forward on our journey while seeing all of them together. And along with that, we are also imagining here that our shortest trajectory to Proxima Centauri also follows a similar straight line pattern. So don't take these things too seriously, just enjoy this simulation and leave the rest to us. So friends, after Mars, then flying by Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus, we have now reached the last planet of the solar system, Neptune. It took us a total of 12 years to reach here. Well, this speed is based on already existing rockets, but if we use some experimental rockets that are currently in the research stage, the situation will be different. But we will handle our spaceship and maneuver it. As for the feasibility of reaching Proxima Centauri, for now, this is next to impossible. If we set out on a journey to Proxima with current technology, it would take us 73,000 years, which is obviously impossible. But if we break the limits of objectivity and let our imagination soar, this time could shrink to just 4.5 years. Yes, we're talking about the speed of light. Imagine that somehow we've built a spacecraft that can travel at the speed of light. So guys, here we are now, in this strange and fascinating star system, Proxima Centauri, where you can see 3 stars orbiting together. But how are these two connected to our destination? So this is the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, around which the planet Proxima b is revolving. Come quickly. We enter its orbit and prepare for a smooth landing on it. Well, it's beginning the landing sequence. On the count of 5, we will be on the surface of this planet. So, fingers crossed and eyes closed because we are good to go. Friends, we have landed on the surface of this planet, and as we take our first step here, who will be the first human to set foot on the surface of Proxima b? Well, our comment box will decide that. Go there quickly and raise the flag of your name. Anyway, the first step has already been taken here. When you look up at the sky, this is what the view looks like. The brightest thing here would be this planet's host star, Proxima Centauri, while the other two major stars of this star system also have a bright appearance. Therefore, because of this extremely strange elliptical trajectory, their view would appear very faint and flickering. Now, since this planet is quite similar to our Earth in terms of size and weight, that's why we will see almost the same geography here. The composition of this planet is mostly like Earth's. Geological surveys show that this planet has mountains, volcanoes, passes, and valleys just like Earth. However, there are some things here that don't match our planet at all. Like this planet is tidally locked to its star. Because of this, one side always has day while the other always has night. Its motion is such that one face of this planet always faces its host star. Because of this, energy is always reaching that area. On the other hand, the dark side always remains in darkness and cold. This situation really concerns us about life's possibilities. Because of this special condition on Proxima b, there is an extreme temperature difference, which makes it a bit difficult for life to grow stably here. But even here, a middle path exists. In fact, the area in the middle is the point where it won't be too hot or too cold. In such a situation, life can easily originate there. Now, since this is a simulation and we are optimistic explorers according to us, this planet would also have a thick atmosphere with many gases wrapped around Proxima b like a blanket. There would also be dense clouds of water in the lower levels of this atmosphere, which would rain down liquid water, and whenever this water rains down on the surface of Proxima b, it would create a water cycle there again. Our speculation also includes the sight of ponds, flowing rivers, and surging oceans present on Proxima b. However, we also can't rule out the possibility that deadly solar flares from this planet's sun might be causing it a lot of harm. Because it's very close to its star, it is frequently bombarded by solar radiation and destructive solar flares. These likely tear through its atmosphere and penetrate inside, causing significant harm to any microscopic forms of life that might be developing here. These solar flares, which penetrate Proxima b's atmosphere to such an extent, can destroy the entire life cycle of this planet. But if somehow this planet's extremely dense atmosphere manages to protect itself, then the state of life here would be completely different. There will also be liquid water flowing on the surface here, there will be air to breathe in the atmosphere, and we will also witness the evolving life of microorganisms here. Although we have shown you the sights of this planet through the lens of our imagination, now it's your turn to embark on this endless journey through space. And friends, if you liked today's video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to Documentary Library, make sure to subscribe and enable the bell notification so that you can get videos on astronomy and space science. First of all, friends, let's meet again with another new informative video. Till then, stay curious, be happy. Namaskar.